Alright guys, welcome back. So see, we get something else. We get something else on the way. So what I do is remember we said we go on a mission to get some cars, repair them, repurpose them and put them back on the market, right? So that's still the vision. Pick up the Understream, pick up the teeter, them almost finished. I just spray them now and I'm done. And I've also got something else. Alright guys, so see it here now, back on it again. We're gone out of the JDM line a little bit. So it's a Audi Q5. We get a little front damage. We pull up front. Just want to make sure the engine healthy. So we're going to start it and see. So what we do now, what we're going to do now is just connect the intercooler, part of the intercooler, pull off. So what we might do is try and seal this back and just catch on the intercooler and start it. Also we want to connect back these two lines here for the transmission cooler. This line and this line. So we're going to do the radiator already damaged. So the radiator there, proper hole in it. 2 holes as a matter of fact. And it burst here so already and somebody try fix it. That never work out. So what I'm gonna do, pull off the whole of this side, reconnect the lines for the transmission cooler, for the transmission side, put it back on the car so we can start it and at least attempt to move it to see if everything is okay with it. There's no drive belt now, so there's not going to be any AC or any alternator on there, but it shouldn't be that bad. We can put on back a belt. So we're going to get a belt for it tomorrow, but we just want to start it and hear the engine sound. And then we're good to go and move again. Alright, so there's some structural things that need to happen. So look here, we have the chassis leg that's bent. I'll put it on the frame machine and draw it back in. This side and both this side, so we're going to heat them and straighten them out. We'll buy the radiator support already, and we'll have the radiator and a couple other things for the front. The headlights are there as well. We'll buy the headlights and the fender and everything. So we're going to work and see how we can get things moving again. If you look at the back of the car, nothing do it. Well, I lie, something right there. But other than that, everything else works. It just works, and no airbag no fly. Good thing, no airbag is deployed, so we can avoid buying airbags inside of the car. Just need some detailing. It look like they cleaned the roof already, or they changed the roofing material. And we're just gonna we're just gonna start it, see what's happening, and then we'll move from there, isn't it? Alright guys, so reach the intercooler phase now. So see, we'll put on the cooler for the transmission line. It look like it damaged, but we want to make sure that oil circulates back and forth between those two lines, between in the transmission and out, right? This one now is the intercooler. I just put some silicone on the inside of this and use the teeth or the tongues to close up back the whole intercooler, and then hopefully everything would seal back properly. We'll just put it back on the car so that the car can see boost on both sides, and we should be able to at least idle the car. So that's the plan right now. So I'll make sure the car can start and idle. Alright guys, so moment of truth. We're kinda dark still, but start it and see what it do. Key in, press the brake, start up, no problem. Hey! No issue whatsoever. None. No problem. Start up on everything truckle alright. All I need now is to get the belt. Just need the belt. I'm good to go. So tomorrow, first order of business, get the drive belt, slap it on it, and we're good to go because we can start. Start up on everything, good with it. Everything is okay with this car. Put the scoop right here. No check engine lights, no nothing. Car just start up and alright. So guys, I sign off for this evening. Tomorrow morning when we come now, put on the drive belt, start it, and hope everything alright to the alternator. And that should be it. That should be it, guys. Hey. I'll send it round to the body man tomorrow and make sure everything alright with it. I'm good to go. Alright. Press the brake and press the key.
What's the key in there?
Key in there already. See if the pulley will wobble. Go on now. Alright. So hear the crackling up at the top, but that's soon gone. Alright. Switch off! Alright guys, so we're good to go. Good to go.